Emmaus Road started as a boiler room church, which means it was part of the 24/7 prayer network. It started in a house and then it moved to other small venue, and eventually it was in a pub, which is when I joined it. This building is called the Founders Studio. We wanted to create a space where people could come in and just feel relaxed and feel inspired. We have everything happening in this room, from tots and toddlers group. Every service at all of our sites, we always have a worship band. We had a wedding last year, and therefore my primary consideration really was ease of use. Very sort of simple, and you could explain it to someone who wasn't even particularly technical in a matter of minutes. I was looking for audio, visuals and lighting. And so we have an L-acoustics system in the roof, so it's 4 speakers, they just sound amazing, they're really full range, and it's all controlled by a really simple little wall panel at the back, a little Allen and Heath system that, again, anybody can kind of come in and just see, handheld one, unmute, fade it up. It's really, really simple. And we also have a 16 input box on the wall, just again for basic music ensembles where we can put in an acoustic guitar, a couple vocals, keyboard. And then we also have a couple of wireless mics which are needed for almost everything that we do in this room, that again just live here, got batteries, and anybody can walk in and get the microphones to work. The next thing was the visuals, so we have 2 large TV screens mounted on the front wall which the congregation see, but we also have a stage display, so on the back wall of the building the musicians on the stage can see that screen and we can show different things, lyrics for song, the time, maybe a countdown. And so again, it's just a couple of HDMI inputs on the back wall, really, really simple to use. And then finally lighting, so we have 4 stage lights which Triplex provided and installed, and they're again just really simple to use and just create a lovely wash along the front of the stage. My ethos with this stuff has always been to go for the best stuff that you can possibly afford, because it is just a better long-term investment. Personally, I've had a long relationship with the guys at Triplex, and I knew the quality of everything that they provided. And so over the years, everything we've sort of purchased has been from Triplex.
We've really lent on partnership there in terms of helping them as they've grown. And then when it came to the Founders Studio, they called us and said, basically, can you help us? And we did, we threw right in terms of designing a system that is going to be easy for them to use. They can use it for their kids' ministry, their youth, but also in the week for the community stuff that they do.
I think with all of our installs, we approach it more as the start of a journey with a client, rather than it being something that we install and then walk away. It's more providing them with the resource to grow.
For me, it's a very relational thing. It's not, I wasn't sort of dealing with sort of 6 different companies that I didn't know. I just, was able to have honest conversations about what I wanted, and I trusted the guys. We just wanted to create a space that was very functional, very easy to use, and just anybody would walk in and kind of go, oh, this is awesome. And we've definitely achieved that.